Hey everyone and welcome. We're so glad you're here. Welcome V&M family to our special explainer. Have you ever just looked around and wondered why love seems to come so easily to some people, while for others it feels like a constant struggle?
That's the big question, isn't it? Today, we're diving deep into the art of manifesting the love you really want, and we're going to do it by blending that powerful universal energy with some very real-world psychology.
All right, so let's get right into it. The first thing you absolutely have to grasp is this. Every single relationship is energetic. It's a vibration. And the most important relationship of all, the one that really sets the tone for everything else, is the one you're having with your own thoughts and your own feelings.
You know, it's so easy to hear something like that and think, that's just some spiritual platitude. But it's not. From a psychological standpoint, this is all about empowerment. It means taking responsibility for the reality that you help create. The people who show up in your life, well, they're often a mirror, reflecting the vibration you're putting out there. You have the power to shape that. And right there, that is the absolute key. See, before you can even think about attracting love from the outside world, you've got to build a foundation. And that foundation, it's your own inner energetic world. Everything, and I mean everything, starts right here. At the very heart of all this is the law of attraction. And honestly, it's pretty simple, right? Like attracts like. The energy you're constantly broadcasting through your thoughts and your emotions, it acts like a magnet, attracting people and experiences that are a vibrational match. So here's the real kicker. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. So that naturally leads us to this idea of vibrational alignment. I love this analogy. Think of it like tuning an old-school radio. If you want to listen to your favorite station, you have to dial into that exact frequency. Manifesting love is exactly the same. You have to tune your own frequency, your feelings, your thoughts, to the feeling of the love you're looking for. When you feel good, you know you're in alignment and that signal you're sending out is crystal clear.
And this is where things get really fascinating, because this is where that energetic concept just smashes right into real-world psychology. So many of us get trapped in what you could call the soulmate mindset, this high-pressure hunt for the one. But the research, it tells a completely different story. It shows that people with the journey mindset, the ones who see love as a process of growth, with all its natural ups and downs, are way more likely to have satisfying, successful, long-term relationships. It's a huge shift from needing perfection to embracing the journey.
Okay, so once you've got that inner foundation really solid, it's time to move from just understanding this stuff to actually doing it. We're shifting into action mode now. This is all about becoming a deliberate creator of the love you want to experience in your life.
The very first step here is getting crystal clear. But listen, we are going way beyond just making a checklist of qualities. We start with the emotion. I mean, how do you truly, deeply want to feel in this relationship? From that feeling, then you can define the qualities that create it. And what's cool is psychology backs this up, pointing to key traits like emotional stability. And then, the fun part, you script it. You write your story in the present tense as if it's already your reality. This whole process literally aligns your entire being to that outcome.
So let's really do this. Let's build that feeling right now. The relationship I'm calling in, it feels like ease. It's just easy. Easy to be myself. Easy to feel good. No struggling.
And with that ease comes this incredible feeling of comfort. You know that feeling, that deep security and certainty, like sinking into your favorite, coziest chair after a really long day? That's it.
And oh, it is just filled with joy. Not just contentment, but real, vibrant, laugh-out-loud joy. It's fun, it's passionate, it's delicious, and just so full of life. It feels like home, a safe place. A place where I can be completely 100% myself. No masks, no pretending. A place where I know I completely belong.
This feeling is expansive. It doesn't shrink my world. It makes it bigger. It opens everything up and helps me grow into more of who I am meant to be.
And above all, it just feels real. True, honest, and deep. This feeling, right here, the one we just built together, that is the frequency. That's the vibration you are tuning your entire being to.
Okay, so you've done this incredible inner work, and you've attracted a connection. But the journey doesn't stop there, right?
Now we get to shift from the art of attraction to the practical science of how you actually build and maintain that blissful connection. The actual science on daily communication is pretty mind-blowing. A 2024 study showed these incredibly clear patterns. Communication styles that are rooted in hostility or withdrawal, well, they're strong predictors of a breakup. No huge surprise there. But here's the powerful part. Daily interactions filled with warmth and playfulness, they have this enormous positive impact, directly predicting relationship satisfaction and how long it'll last. It is solid proof that the small daily interactions matter most.
So how do you actually do that? How do you put that warmth into daily practice? Well, first, you've got to understand how you and your partner give and receive affection. Exploring something like the 5 love languages is a fantastic start. Second, you can practice what psychologists call the Michelangelo phenomenon. I love this. It's where you help sculpt your partner into their ideal self, not by changing them, but by seeing and supporting the absolute best in them. And finally, make gratitude an active daily habit. It all boils down to making your partner feel truly seen, valued, and safe.
Wow. So we've really gone on a whole journey here, haven't we?
From doing that super deep inner work of aligning your personal energy,
All the way to the real-world practical actions that build a connection that actually lasts. It really is a beautiful dance between the two, isn't it?
And I just want to leave you with this one thought, which I absolutely love. So many of us think we have to get love perfect right from the start. But what if the commitment was just, you know what, I like you pretty good, let's see how it goes. Can you feel how much pressure that takes off? It totally reframes love as this flexible, unfolding adventure, not some rigid, scary contract. It's about being present and just enjoying the ride.
Because ultimately, that is what this is all about. Agency, your power. The story of your love life is not predetermined. It is yours to write, yours to co-create, and yours to build, one thought, one feeling, and one action at a time. So the only question left to ask is, what will the next chapter be?
If you're ready to explore that next chapter, we'd love for you to go even deeper with us on our podcast, Vibrations and Manifestations. It's available wherever you listen.
Thank you so much for joining us. Now go out there and keep those vibrations high.